In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this hummus chicken. As you can see, it's super juicy, it's a delicious meal, and it all comes together really quick. The first thing I'm going to do is add some olive oil at the bottom of my baking dish. I'm going to put all my ingredients right on the baking dish, and so I want a little bit of olive oil to make sure that nothing sticks. I also already chopped some onions because I didn't want to cry on camera, so I'm simply going to take them and make a base layer of onions at the bottom right here. I'm also going to slice some zucchini. You can use green zucchini or yellow zucchini only, but the idea is that in just one dish, you're gonna have all your vegetables and your protein. And now we're also going to take these and transfer them on top of our onions. I'm also going to drizzle a little bit more olive oil on top of my veggies. I'm going to add some salt, a little bit of pepper. Now I know it looks like a lot of veggies, but don't worry, they'll cook down. To give our veggies even more flavor, I'm taking a lemon and I'm just simply slicing my lemon into rounds just like that. So I'm just gonna take my lemon slices and place them over my veggies, and as it cooks down, the lemon juices is going to season and give our veggies so much flavor. Now on top of this, I'm going to take my chicken breasts. I have 4 sliced chicken breasts here. I know it's gonna be a tight fit, but we're gonna make it. Now before I take my chicken breasts and put them on top of our roasted veggies, I'm going to take a little salt and pepper and make sure to season them on both sides. So up next is where I take my chicken breast and place it over the veggies, just like this. And of course, if you have a bigger pan, there'll be more room, but don't worry, as everything cooks, it shrinks. So we just want to make sure that we place everything on top just like that. And the star of the dish is hummus. Today, I'm using store-bought hummus. I like this roasted garlic hummus or red pepper hummus for this recipe, but there's so many varieties out there that the great thing is that when you mix that seasoning in the middle with the hummus, it's going to add so much flavor right on top of your chicken. So 1 spoonful at a time, I'm going to place it right on top of my chicken and then cover the rest of my chicken breast and spread it around. What's great about covering our chicken breast with hummus is that it's going to seal in the moisture of the chicken, yielding really juicy chicken. The last step is to take a little bit of smoked or Spanish paprika and sprinkle it right over the top. So a little reminder, you're gonna find all the measurements to this recipe right below this video, so let's bake the chicken. All right guys, so now that this chicken is ready, all we have to do is wait about 5 or so minutes. I usually serve it maybe with some rice as well, but I want to show you how juicy and delicious it looks like in the inside. So let's slice it open. Wow, check it out. Juicy, delicious, and in one dish, I have everything I need, my veggies as well. So good. Make sure to grab the recipe and ingredients right below this video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you guys next time.